Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Janvi and as you know, I'm going to share you the 10 MCQ of the chapter India size and location. So these are the 10 MCQ. So it will of less timer. You don't have to take much time to see because you get bored also. So the first question on your screen is the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh or Tripura. So the correct answer is Odisha. Now it's known as Odisha. The easternmost latitude of India is 97 degree 25 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minutes east and 77 degree 6 minutes east or 82 degrees 32 minutes east. So the correct answer is 97 degree 25 minutes east. Third question. Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with China, Bhutan, Nepal and Myanmar. Which is the correct answer? So the correct answer is Nepal. Which line divides India into approximately two equal parts? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, none of these, yeah, Tropic of Capricorn. So the correct answer is Tropic of Cancer because in the previous video of introduction I told you that Tropic of Cancer divide India into two different parts, and I will also tell you in this video the different types of maps and the important map that are coming in your exams, and also some of the introduction about this map. What is the position of India in the world in respects of area? 8th position, 7th position, 6th position or 2nd position? So the correct answer is 7th position. As you know, India is in 7th position of the area. Which meridian is fixed as the standard meridian of India? If you know, the correct answer is 82.5 degree east, 82.5 degree east and 86 degree east, 81 degree east. So the correct answer is 82.5 degree east. Tropic of Cancer pass through which of these states? So Tropic of Cancer that is getting, they are divided from which states? It is of Tripura, and I will also show you over here. Okay, don't worry, I will also give you the answer over here. The easternmost longitudes of India is 87. Most of the students get confused in this question. They get confused that the easternmost longitude and easternmost latitude, the answer of both question is same. They are 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay. What is India's size with respect to other countries of the world? So it is 7th. Okay. Easy answers. All the MCQs are easy. So this is the last MCQ. The latitudinal axis of India lies between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. As you show in your map, they are given over here. Now it's time for your map. So let's go on map. Okay. So this will be the first map that I'm going to share with you. Let me take mobile in my hand. Okay. So there are different states. There are different. So as you know that Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, they both are get divided. So Jammu and Kashmir over here and Ladakh over here, and this small part is known as Chandigarh. This line it is of standard meridian line. Okay. Now, okay, and the small parts, this part is known as Delhi over here. This larger part is Rajasthan, and the Tropic of Cancer line is over here, and the state that get on it that are Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Chandigarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Odisha and Arunachal Pradesh are these states, but the states that lie on Tropic of Cancer, they are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, West Bengal and Tripura. So the question that I asked from you, which state lies, so there are the option that is Tripura. These options are not there. If they are there, then you can tick both that also. And as you can see over here, this is Diu and Daman. Okay, here is Dadar and Nagar Haveli. This is Andhra Pradesh, and over here it is Lakshadweep Island. Over this part, this little part, it is known as Pondicherry. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Uttar Pradesh over here. Okay, and this is the Tropic of Cancer line. And this meridian, what is the meridian? Standard meridian is 82 and half degree east, or you can say 82 and 30 minutes east. Okay, so this is the one map that you can do in your map work. Now let's go to the second map. Okay, so this is the second map of, if you can say that this map only contains about the states and their capital. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. UP Lucknow. Bihar Patna. Sikkim Gangtok. Jharkhand over here it is Jharkhand, so Jharkhand is Ranchi. Arunachal Pradesh, it is Itanagar. Assam Dispur. Over here it is Meghalaya, the capital is Kohima. Over here it is Manipur, the capital is Impal. Over here it is Meghalaya, capital is as well. Over here it is, we can say that it is Tripura, the capital is Agartala. Okay, over here it is West Bengal, capital is Kolkata. Chhattisgarh Raipur. Maharashtra Mumbai. MP means Madhya Pradesh, it is Bhopal. Gujarat Gandhinagar. Rajasthan Jaipur. Haryana Chandigarh. Punjab Chandigarh. Now let's come down. Telangana Hyderabad. Odisha Bhubaneswar. Andhra Pradesh Amravati. Now it's get converted into Amravati. First of all, it is something else. Tamil Nadu Chennai. Kerala Thiruvananthapuram. Karnataka Bengaluru. Goa Panji. Okay, so these are the 29 states and their capital. So in this video we will read about some important map, and some are the historical questions that are related to your MCQ. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.